Animal Company!
Animal Company!
You need to listen to this! So if you are hearing this, this means add a setting where you can remove the camera! Because every day, when I play an Animal Company, I grab a grappler. When I grab a grappler, I go over here to grapple. And when I do that, that happens. I get the camera, and my grappler's up there. Fix this. And yeah, shake that booty.
Shake that guy, shake that guy, shake that guy.
This is Channel Gray reporting out.
Yeah! I'm a red reindeer. Yeah.